Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. Every day you'll see me doing analysis of various currency pairs where I share my views whether you should buy, sell, or avoid that particular currency pair. And sometimes I think that that's a very slow process. So therefore, from today onwards, I will upload a separate video, or at least I'll try to upload a separate video where you can trade for the day to earn some profit, or the best currency pairs to make money for that particular day. Or in simple words, I will share my forex pairs list for the day, and I'll try to explain why you should trade on that particular currency pair for that day. That's it. So let's get started. So for Monday, I have got three currency pairs on my watch list, and the first pair is AUDJPY, Australian dollar, Japanese yen. And as you can see, I'm in the 1 hour time frame this time. Every day I bring videos on the 4 hours time frame, but this time I'm in the 1 hour time frame. And in the 1 hour time frame, you can see that market is kind of in a downtrend right now, but still there is not a big movement here. But if you look at the chart carefully, then you can see that we have a support here, or right now market is just standing at the support price 81.37. right now market is just standing at a support price, and we also have a bullish divergence here. You can see that the chart has formed a low here, and it has broke the previous low. It has formed a lower low here. But if you look at the RSI, you can see that RSI is indicating a different picture. RSI is indicating that market is about to go up from here. RSI is giving us the signal that market may go up from here. So considering the divergence and considering this support level, there is a good possibility that market will bounce from this particular price level on Monday. Clear? The second pair for the Monday is Australian dollar, US dollar, or USD. Unlike the AUDJPY, this pair is not standing at this support level, but we have a bullish divergence here. You can clearly see that market has formed a lower low here, low, and market has broke the previous low. So market has formed a lower low on the chart. But if we come to the RSI, we can see that RSI has formed a higher low here. RSI has formed a low here, and RSI has formed a higher low here. So this is a bullish divergence, and considering the bullish divergence, there is a good possibility that just like the AUDJPY, AUDUSD will also bounce from here. And if it bounces from here, then you can definitely go for a buy order. And just keep in mind that there is a 50 moving average up here. So if you want to exit by a 50 moving average, that's totally up to you. Okay. But I'm just saying that you can enter if you see some good buying pressure or market going up from here, because there is a bullish divergence here. And the last currency pair for Monday on my watch list is uh, pound CAD, British pound, Canadian dollar. So you can clearly see on the chart that pound CAD is in strong uptrend, bullish uptrend. And we can also draw a trend line here. I'll request you to draw a trend line in your charting platform or trading platform so that you can understand the chart better. And once you draw the trend line here by joining the lows made by the market, then you can clearly see that right now market is standing at this support level. Okay. And right now market is standing at a support level, and this trend line is acting as a strong support for the market. Therefore, we can rely on it pretty well. On the other hand, to confirm, we also have a bullish divergence again. You can see that market has formed a lower high here. Okay, lower high here. Market did not cross the previous high, so market has formed a lower high here. But the RSI is indicating a different story here. RSI is indicating that it has crossed the previous low, and RSI has formed a lower low here. And whenever we get a scenario like this, whenever we get a bullish divergence like this, there is a possibility that market will bounce. And we can already see that pound CAD is already standing at the support level. if the market bounces from here, or if price starts going up from here, definitely it's a buy call from my side. But my dear friends, be very careful, extremely careful, because this is market. We cannot be 100% sure about the market because we do not run the markets. You know it pretty well that the big players, the big boys, they run the market. We cannot be 100% sure. Therefore, please follow strict management properly and do not risk more than 2% to 3% of your trading capital, because this is market, anything may happen. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing the same video again tomorrow. Bye bye.